Raya with Roots to Wellness Podcast. Welcome to another episode. I wanted to today just touch base on reconnecting with your inner nature and outer nature through the work of forest bathing, earthing, grounding, mindfulness, meditation, and just spending time in nature to nurture your soul. So often we are feeling disconnected, run down, like we're running like a chicken with our head cut off, following the to-do lists and always scrambling to catch up. It's a real disconnection. And I want to offer a space to give you permission to disconnect from the craziness and your to-do lists and all the things that are going on in your life, to reconnect with the spaces in nature, with the healing powers that nature offers us. We come from nature, we are nature, and we have lost track of that amongst all of these things that are happening. Right now I'm sitting by this most gorgeous lake. It's calm, it's a cloudy day, which is a real treat after some hot weather. The fish are jumping, it's amazing. They're huge and right up out of the water, belly flopping. And I can hear a trickle of a little stream down beside me, and the chickadees in the trees, and my bare feet on the rocks. And I'm just here breathing. I'm on a disconnect time for myself. And I came to a point where I really realized the importance of that. I was raised on a farm, and I had a lot of space and time in nature and animals. And I never realized the importance of that, I think, until in my adult years. I went through some different kinds of trauma and different losses. And I went through some very severe stress and anxiety, panic attacks, adrenal fatigue, PTSD, all of these things. And through my healing journey over the last years, I have come back full circle to what always brought me that peace and calm and ease. And so through the work that I do, I really hold a special place of non-judgment, a safe place where people can be themselves and disconnect and bring themselves back to where they want to find that inner peace and calm, that joy again, that less frantic feeling. And I think in our world right now, we're so connected electronically. We're always waiting for that constant, is somebody going to text me? Are they going to call me? Where's the email? What about this? And what about that? And we've got reports to do, and we've got to-do lists, and we've got things to get done all the time. And in that process, we lose ourselves and we lose that sense of connection. And then we start finding more anxiety, more depression, more fear. Right now, collectively, I think we're really driven by fear. And we are starting to see more diseases, which is dis-ease in the body coming out. And we have the most incredible, powerful gifts and tools right out in nature to help us back to our roots and to heal all of these things that are going on for us. And so that's why I'm so excited to offer a lot of these tools and tips and tricks to fill up your toolbox with. And the great thing about a toolbox is it doesn't have to always be the same. It can be different. It can, be mobile. Things can move and change. And you can use something for a while and trade it out with something else and back and forth. And so nothing, just like healing, nothing is linear. There's always in constant flow and constant movement. Just as I watch the ripple on the lake here, and across the way, somebody boating, I bet they're going fishing. Spending time out here in this quiet space and getting out of our heads and back into our hearts and back into our souls, I think is that really important key to reconnection. Nature, everything in nature is accomplished. Everything. You look around you when spring comes or summer or fall or winter, Everything that nature has set out to accomplish, it all happens in time. It's never rushed. It doesn't seem frantic. It all just unfolds and evolves beautifully, just as we do. But we've just lost touch. And that's not right or wrong, and it's okay. It's okay. Holding that safe space and that understanding space for yourself to know, you know what? I am in a place where I feel like it's time. I want to honor myself and give myself time to heal and grow. And also, one of the things, big themes coming right now is not only the healing and the self and inner work, which is, it's a big package. People are questioning, what they're doing in their lives and the path that they're on and maybe the careers they've chosen. And, we don't have to do one set thing. We've got one chance at life and we can do as many things as we want. We can try on hundreds of different things. We can learn. We're learning every day. And it's so exciting to just be in this incredible world and be able to have all of these opportunities and things right at our fingertips. So if you're feeling stuck, you're feeling stressed, you're feeling disconnected, you're feeling uneasy, take time in nature. Tune in. Allow yourself the gift of time, space, and healing. I want you to have an amazing day, evening, wherever you are. And your gift this weekend is to take time and go outside, kick off your shoes, lay under the stars or watch the sunrise or sunset. Just be. Have an amazing time doing that and give yourself a big hug because you're doing the very best you can. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I look forward to sharing space with you again on my next podcast. Much love.